Now, I know there's got to be a part of you guys out there that says, man, if I could have just traveled back in time, I definitely would have bought one Bitcoin. If I could have gone back to 2010, I would have bought one Bitcoin. I would have bought 100 Bitcoin. I would have bought 1,000 Bitcoin. And I know that you fantasized about going back with the knowledge you have now and putting it into action back then, but I believe we are being set up with an opportunity. An opportunity maybe not to get in at 2010 prices where Bitcoin's trading at $1, but we've got the opportunity here to buy Bitcoin, to buy Ethereum, to buy these cryptocurrencies at prices of the past with the future still intact. So I do want to talk about that in this video because as the world is running around screaming with their heads cut off about the cryptocurrency and the stock market collapsing and crashing right now, you have to remember, that doesn't change the future. The current prices don't change the future. The current prices change the present, and the future is still intact. So we're going to be optimistic, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you're getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're getting $5 in free crypto. And they are setting up crypto wallets here pretty soon, so you will be able to transfer your crypto in and out of your Webull account. So go ahead, get in line right now. Make your account and get in line for that. If you want a crypto exclusive exchange, you've got Voyager in the description. You're going to get $50 in Bitcoin for signing up there. And then they've got a great passive reward, incentive set up there. If you hold your cryptocurrency on that platform, you can earn above 12% just by holding it. You don't even have to stake it. They pay you for holding on their platform. So let's talk about this because, I see out on Twitter that one Bitcoin is trending. And the entire idea is that if you've always wanted to own one Bitcoin, the possibility is right around the corner. Now, let's look at that for a second because I believe a mentality shift is going to be coming here, and you're really going to need to work through it if you do want to buy one Bitcoin. Now, we'll talk about prices in a second, but I want to talk about this mentality shift first because the psychology of trading and the psychology of investing usually gets in people's heads. That's where psychology is. It's all emotions and it's all decisions that need to be made. And we're going to see a shift here. When Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and all of these coins were running higher throughout 2021, everybody was kicking themselves. Man, I should have bought it. I should have bought Bitcoin when it was down at 3,000, when it was down at 4,000, when it was down at 10,000, when it was down at 20,000, when it was down at 50,000. I should have bought Bitcoin. Well, that's because it was hitting prices like 5,000 and 10,000 and 20 and 25 and 30 and 40 and 60 and $70,000 per coin. So of course you wanted it. Now, as the price is moving lower, we're in this phase right now where, man, Bitcoin is looking like a bargain. Bitcoin is looking like a steal. I should go out and buy Bitcoin for $20,000. I should go out and buy Bitcoin for $25,000. Oh, it's down to $15,000. Well, hold on now. Hold on. Bitcoin might continue to come down. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin's at 10,000. Oh, well, this is a long-term level of support, 8,000. Oh God, the world's going to end. I'm not touching Bitcoin. It is done. It has not been cemented in the future. Its future's unheard of. Decentralization's never going to work out. Cryptocurrencies were a fad. It was a bubble that burst. Bitcoin's at 5,000. Yeah, anybody that has a Bitcoin, even if you're buying it at 5,000, my goodness, what a fool. Why would you buy a fake currency? Why would you buy some internet money? Bitcoin's at what? $2,500. Guys, I don't know how far it's going to go, but market cycles, the emotion cycle as well. That's why you have the greed and the fear index out there, because it's a real thing that people can track. When markets are rolling and hitting all-time highs, the greed kicks in. And everybody sees that so much money has been made, they want to make it too. They're gonna risk whatever they have. They're gonna risk it. They're gonna buy a Bitcoin at $60,000. They're gonna buy a Bitcoin at $70,000. They're gonna buy a Bitcoin at $100,000 because they know it's going higher. But man, they won't touch a Bitcoin if it's sitting at $10,000. They won't touch a Bitcoin if it's sitting at $5,000. They won't touch a Bitcoin if it's sitting at $2,500. Why? Because the emotion is the exact opposite at that point. When you reach a bottom, everybody is so fearful that the market is going to end. Everybody is so fearful that the world is going to end. Everybody is so fearful that there's no bottom. It's going to continue collapsing forever. We are all done. There will never be another bull run. There will never be another opportunity to make money. It is the exact opposite of the amount of greed that kicks in at the top. Guys, let's talk a little bit about my personal insight on it here. I look at Bitcoin all day long. I watch it during the live streams. And my main level of support, if you guys watch the videos, you know that it was at that $30,000 mark. It broke through that. We're currently testing the upper 22,000s. And I do believe the next major level of support is, take that major loosely. The next level of support is around the $20,000 range, $19,000 to $20,000 that we held up, Bitcoin held up for a month back at the end of 2020, and then at the end of 2017, that's the high that we reached before drastically pulling back very quickly, is that $19,000 to $20,000 range. If that range is broken, I do believe we will be seeing $10,000 Bitcoin again. I do believe we could see prices in the $5,000 to $15,000 range. And I know that's a very large range. Clearly, it would be another 66% decline if you went from 15,000 to 5,000. But what we're looking at here is a cryptocurrency market it's in bear market territory. The political market, it's in bear market territory. The U.S. economic market, it is in bear market territory. The global economic market, it is in bear market territory. And until these overall macroeconomic forces change, inflation, interest rates, GDP rising again, the recession that is looming ahead of us, until these things begin to shift and work themselves out, I believe the continuation is going to be to the downside. It's not going to be easy for bargain prices to just hold it up. It's much more than that at this point. So if you have the idea that you are going to buy one Bitcoin, here's what you need to convince yourself. All of this noise that you're going to hear in the market, all of the chatter that says crypto is worthless, what do you think? Do you really think that digital assets in the world, are we going in reverse or are we going forward? I mean, sometimes it does. Like, if you look at the economic situation right now, yes, I agree. It does seem like we're going in reverse. But with technological advances ahead of us, are we going digital or will we stay paper? And if you can answer that digital currencies and this digital world is the future, you believe in the future of cryptocurrency. With that being said, when do you get in? I can't call the bottom. Nobody can call the bottom perfectly. You have to look at the market conditions. And if you want to get one Bitcoin, I believe the opportunity to grab one of those BTC is right around the corner. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Keep it optimistic, guys, because, hey, I know the prices are down, but the bargains are up. And if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You got Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Voyager, you're getting $50 in Bitcoin, and you're going to be able to earn passive income. Webull, you're getting 6 free stocks, $5 in crypto for making a $1 trade. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.